Neon lights are fading slow. Empty echoes where dreams used to go. Shadows walking, hearts turn cold, searching for a fire to hold. But in the silence I hear your call. Through the darkness you break the wall. Hope is rising from the ground on this street without sound. Street without sound, where the lost are crying. You shine a light and the night starts hiding. In the quiet, your love resounds. You bring life to the street without sound. Every broken step I made, you were there to guide the way. Through the rooms, through the stars, you remind me who you are. In the silence I hear your call. Through the darkness you break the wall. Hope is rising from the ground on this street without sound. Street without sound, where the lost are crying. You shine a light and the night starts hiding. In the quiet, your love resounds. You bring life to the street without sound. No more fear, no more chains. Your voice echoes through the rain. Every soul will rise again. Your glory will remain. Street without sound, you turn it golden. Hearts awake and the doors are open. In the quiet, your love resounds. Eternal life on the street without sound. You bring out to the street without sound. No more fear, no more fear, no more chains. Your voice echoes through the rain. Every soul will rise again. Your glory will remain. Street without sound. Street without sound.